Well, good afternoon, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Yellow Bus Guy channel. And the purpose of this video is I've got an announcement. It has to do with the channel itself. It's time to announce the end of bus videos. This technically will be the final episode of Yellow Bus Guy concerning school buses. And the reason being is my employer, after 10 years of uploading videos, found my YouTube channel and they don't like it because reasons. So we won't be able to upload any more videos from this point forward. And I would like to say thank you so much, the guys and ladies and gentlemen that watch this channel and who have supported me over all this time. And some of you have been there from the very, very beginning. And I really do appreciate it. I had to take down all my videos. Some of you may probably have noticed that they're all gone. And between firearms, RC, and school buses, you guys accounted for over 1 million views. My view count dropped by more than 1 million. And school bus videos by far had the most views and the most interaction and interest. YouTube recently changed their policies concerning firearms, and just a couple weeks ago I took all my firearm videos down because I didn't want to jeopardize my channel. A lot of good that did. So between losing the firearms was the second most popular, and between firearm videos and losing those and losing the school bus videos, there is no chance of growing this channel anymore. It's basically put a stop to it all. I'll still upload, and there'll be some RC. I'll continue to upload RC stuff, and I'll probably continue to upload motorcycle stuff, but the interest in there and on those two subjects is minimal compared to firearms or school buses. And again, I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate the support and the interest. It's been a ton of fun. I've really, really enjoyed getting to know some of you guys, interacting with you guys, the questions, the school bus community. It's been a blast, and I really appreciate it. And all I got to say is I appreciate it, and thank you very much. So for the last time, see you guys. Have a safe summer. Be nice to your bus driver, and I'll talk to you later.